Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ivy. I'm a makeup artist, YouTuber and content creator based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you products from my most recent haul from Jumia. If you want to see what I got, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. It only takes 1 second. Okay guys, welcome back. This is going to be a very short haul. So I recently ordered some things from Jumia and I just wanted to come on here to share them with you. The very first thing I got are these net adhesive tapes. They look just like this and I got about 2 of them. Now the net in my kitchen is torn, like I don't know what happened, and I discovered that it's double netted. It had a wire gauze net and then the normal net. I discovered that mosquitoes, the wire gauze net is a bit fatter. I discovered that mosquitoes have been coming in through there. I tried doing 1 or 2 things but it didn't work, so I saw this on Jumia. It's like a net with sticker, like a sellotape net sellotape, yeah, something like that. So I got 2 of it. It wasn't expensive. I got 2 of it, so I want to try it out and see how it works. My simple moisturizing facial wash also got finished, so I checked around a lot here in Asaba. I didn't find any, so I decided to come on Jumia to check. And when this product got here, I should have known better, because but that day was like my kids were having their school end of year party and everything. We finished and I just breezed. It was on Saturday. I breezed into the Jumia office and they gave me. And when I didn't open it there. That was a mistake I made. And I go home because it's a skincare product. And I discovered that the body of this thing was so dirty. Like someone had thrown it in mud and picked it up. So I was wondering. I was like, this thing is so strange. And then I tried to get some of the product out, and it was just smelling funky and. Like I feel like it's a dupe, like it's a knockoff. This is the first time I'm having that. Like I don't really understand. I feel like it's a dupe, that it's a knockoff, and I didn't really like. It does not lather. A lot of things are wrong with this product. Then I got another one of my Clean and Clear facial morning brush facial cleanser, but for some reason, because I went online and I was seeing this like. These 2 facial washes are just different. I went online and I was seeing different things. So I think this is their new, because they wrote new here, new formula. Let's see. The older one had vitamin C and ginseng. This one has vitamin C and BHA. So let's see. I feel like it's the same. My Clean and Clear morning boss. I don't joke with it. And then I got this perfume atomizer. I think that's the last thing I got, because is it leaking? It's so cold. I have this Nina. Yeah, I have this Nina Ricci perfume I've owned for a while. You can see where it is. And then this stuff got bad. Like it was not spraying. Perfume has just been there, and I just feel that it's getting tired. So I got this 5 mils perfume atomizer to decant this perfume. So I'll just decant it into this one and be spraying this one until it finishes. So those are like, perfume smells so good and I'm so happy I got it. So those are just my baby is here. Those are just the products I got from Jumia. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for staying till the end, and I'd like come your way again. Remember, blessed. Bye guys.